to our session 6. Today we are going to talk about free time. Free time is similar to the session that we have done for hobbies. What you used to do in your free time, what are your hobbies to follow. For that, we will just see what this free time means, why is it important, and what are the German culture related to that. So first of all, when we talk about the importance of free time, it's like humans spend years eating, sleeping, working, and worrying about those things, but it is their free time that is most important. If you spend this free time well, you can make yourself more productive. You can do the things which you want to do, and you can focus on working on your important things. So, spending free time well is very important. This will help you to increase your energy and also help you to make your health and well-being with a high level of performance. Importance of free time that also gives you some of the points which is here, gives you the opportunity to innovate and explore more, because if you are free, if you are enough active, then you can easily think about the different things and you can think about the opportunity. To prepare yourself mentally for something, declutter your mind, protect your mental health, make life more enjoyable, and also helps you to understand the things you want to do in your life. Next, how you can spend or how Germans spend free time. They work a lot, but free time is also very important to them. In their free time, many Germans play sports, meet with the friends and family, or just relax with a good book. Germans spend most of their downtime watching television, even if they might rather be doing something else. They love to watch, they love to listen to the radio, love to listen to music, phone calls from home, surfing on the internet. These are some of the activities which Germans would like to do. Their top 5 pastimes were listening to the radio, to the music, talking on the phone, and surfing the internet. In German people, they also used to like mostly in going some places, hiking somewhere, traveling to some different place and all that. Why this free time actually free time? Like why this is called as a free time? The study also revealed that Germans are largely occupied with course or additional work in their free time, though with a wide gap between genders. This was especially pronounced in housework. 94% of women versus 57% of men, at least once a week, and shopping. However, men more likely to have telephonic calls with work or do additional work for their jobs. There is a survey that survey participants also expressed their desire to have time more activities with spontaneously doing what you want. The number one wish is 63%. There are some more participants that has a different percent of like sleeping. They want to do weekend trips. They like to do doing nothing or spending time with the partner. What are the free time activities we have? Backen, that is to bake. Einkaufen gehen, to go to shopping. Fernsehen, to watch television. Filme herunterladen, that means to download the films. Herunterladen. Fußball spielen, to play football. Kochen, to cook. Musik herunterladen, to download music. And Musik hören. We can also say schlafen, schwimmen gehen, tanzen gehen, wandern gehen, Zeit mit der Family verbringen. Verbringen is to spend. Zeit mit Freunden verbringen. These are some of the free time activities which a person can do. Here comes false Freunden. There are some of the words which are more likely same in German and in English, and also a free time activity in German and English. So like fast means almost. Das Gymnasium. Das Gymnasium is not the gym, that's called as grammar school. Sympathisch, that is kind and nice. Der Chef, the boss. Arm is poor. There are some more vocabularies which will help you to describe your hobby or the free time work, which is aufführen, to perform, sammeln, to collect, schreiben, to write, konkurrieren, to complete, concurieren, then spielen to play. So these are some of the free time words that you can use. There are some phrases like schwimmen. In meiner Freizeit schwimme ich gern. In my free time, I like to swim. Joggen. In meiner Freizeit jogge ich gern. I like to do jogging. Reiten. In meiner Freizeit reite ich gern. I like to do horse riding. Skateboard fahren. In meiner Freizeit fahre ich gern Skateboard. Spielen. In meiner Freizeit spiele ich gern. I like to play. Volleyball spielen. In meiner Freizeit spiele ich gerne Volleyball. Kampfsport machen. In meiner Freizeit mache ich gerne Kampfsport. Fußball spielen. In meiner Freizeit spiele ich gern Fußball. Rugby spielen. In meiner Freizeit spiele ich gern Rugby. Golf spielen. In meiner Freizeit spiele ich gern Golf. Verben. What are the verbs you can use? Sport treiben, Golf spielen, segeln, reiten, Radfahren, schwimmen gehen, wandern, tanzen, Musik hören, Buch lesen, Münzen oder Briefmarken sammeln, fotografieren, zeichnen, Schach spielen, Fernsehen, ins Kino gehen. These all are the words which will help you to describe about your free time. Make sure to learn the vocabularies. See you in the next session.